Gather your materials and follow along to make another super cute costume. You will need a black and white 20 by 30 inch foam board, neon shot glasses, cotton balls, a glue gun, a craft knife, a yardstick, and a 1/2 inch wide bundle of elastic. Figure out what design you want your Lite Brite to make. I went with one of the classics, a hot air balloon. You may need to cut down the board to fit the wearer better. Lay out your design with the shot glasses on the black foam board. This is just so you can make sure your design fits before you start gluing. Once you are happy with your design, pick up one of the shot glasses and stuff it with a few cotton balls. Run a line of hot glue along the rim of the glass and glue it in place. Repeat this with all of your glasses until they are stuffed and glued down. Cut 4 strips from your whiteboard, 2 the same size for the top and 2 the same size for the sides. Add a loop of elastic to the back center of the black board. This is so easy to make and can be customized to fit any style or theme. Pair with a light color leotard and comfortable shoes and this costume is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.